Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abi Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to show you guys a lesser known Telegram airdrop that you guys can start right now. But before I get into today's update video, I want you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, there are so many popular Telegram airdrops around. You have airdrops like Blum, you have airdrops like Major, you have airdrops like NotPixel, you have airdrops like Pulse, and you have airdrops like To Market. So many of them, and you have meme related airdrops as well. However, there are lesser known airdrops on Telegram that are not really actively farmed and they don't really have a lot of user base, and I want you guys to also look into them and add them to your Telegram farming portfolio. Now, the one we are looking at today is called WORKDOGS. Now, WORKDOGS also came after Dogs launched in September, because after Dogs launch, we started having a series of animal-like meme tokens coming up on Telegram. We've had cats, we've had goats, we've had pigs, and so on and so forth. So WorkDogs is also a meme that I also want you guys to look into. Now, the same way WorkDog is, it works on your Telegram rating depending on how far and how well you've been using Telegram. And recently they announced a cooperation with Gate.io and also OKX here as well. Now, one particular information I want you guys to take note of is that here they said that WorkDogs and OKX and officially reached a cooperation. WorkDogs is expected to be listed on OKX around the end of December. So which means that most likely this project is going to launch next month, and I don't want you guys to miss out. So if you are watching this video right now and you are interested in this particular airdrop, all you have to do is click the link in the description box and get registered on Telegram. Now I'm going to take you guys to the Telegram bot and show you how to farm this project. So here we are guys, this is WorkDogs, and as you guys can see right here, I've been able to accumulate about 118,504 WorkDogs. Now what you have to do is that once you've opened the bot, you have to come here, you click on the daily login. You are going to log in every day and you click on that. You can also watch an ad, and per ad you'll be getting 1,000 WorkDogs. Now you also have to connect your OKX wallet, so you guys can also do that as well. And if you are Nigerians, you make sure you make use of a VPN. Now you also come here and you do all these tasks. It's as simple as that. So it's a very simple airdrop. All you have to do, log in daily and you complete the tasks, you watch ad to increase your WorkDogs token mine. So it's a very simple airdrop, and I want you guys to start doing this as soon as possible. I know you guys are bombarded with a lot of Telegram projects, so many right now that you guys are mostly invested to, but I want you guys to please just try and add this to your mining portfolio as well. And if you are new to the Telegram mining space, this is also a fresh and nice start for you as well. So if you are watching this video, please click the link in the description box and start farming WorkDogs right now. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop updates, you always be the first to know. Thanks.